Hello friends, Dr. Meena Shah from Life and Health Online. Webinars on positive health, positive life and positive work. All three things are very important for us in our life. मगर काफ़ी बार हम अपनी ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही अनकॉन्शियसली जी लेते हैं। काफ़ी चीज़ें हम खुद करना चाहते हैं मगर वो करना छोड़ देते हैं। हम अपना काम के बारे में भी आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, कुछ नया सीखना चाहते हैं, उसे भी भूल जाते हैं। हमारी कितनी सारी हॉबीज़ है, इंटरेस्ट है जो हमें हैप्पीनेस, सेटिस्फैक्शन और जॉय देती है, उसे भी कम्प्लीटली छोड़ देते हैं। तो हमारी ज़िंदगी अच्छी जीने के लिए वी नीड टू एनर्जाइज अवर बॉडी, एनर्जाइज अवर माइंड एंड एनर्जाइज अवर सोल. सो बैलेंस ऑफ those energies at the body, mind and soul level are very important. आज मैं इस वीडियो में बात करना चाहती हूँ हाउ टू एनर्जाइज अवर माइंड. क्योंकि जैसे शरीर को खुराक की ज़रूरत है, हमारे मन को भी खुराक की ज़रूरत है. अगर उसे ऐसा खाना मिला जो उसे एनर्जाइज करता है, चार्जअप करता है, खुशी देता है, देन द माइंड विल रिमेन एनर्जाइज्ड. अदरवाइज ऑटोमेटिसिटी में क्या होता है कि ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा माइंड ज़्यादा नेगेटिव चीज़ों की तरफ खींच जाता है. सो व्हाट डू वी फीड अवर माइंड? One thing we can stop doing is to stop feeding our mind with automatic negative messages which we do in the morning, either through social media messages or through newspaper or listening to news early morning on the television. All the three things, because most of these news are always of some problem or other, and then we get worried about things about which we have no control, but we start thinking about it. Instead of that, first 1 hour, first rather 2 hours of your morning, don't feed your mind with any of these negative messages. Do something for yourself, for your health, for your learning, for your positivity, for your soul, means meditation, prayer, anything. When you start morning with such positivity and such positive energy, the mind will remain refreshed throughout the day. So that's one thing, to stop feeding our mind with negativity. Instead of that, let's feed our mind with positivity. जो हम खुराक देते हैं उसी से हमारा मन बनेगा. जैसे जो खुराक खाते हैं उससे शरीर बनता है, वैसे ही मन को जो खुराक देंगे उससे ही हमारा मन भी बनेगा. So feed your mind with positivity. So reading is important. Positive thinking is important. So positive thinking के लिए भी reading help करेगा. So it's very important that we feed our mind with positivity. Second, we also have to look at it कि okay, how do I get positive vibration from the universe, from my surrounding. तो जैसे ही आप सुबह में जो भी आप करते हैं, चाहे आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, ऐसे कहा जाता है कि उठने के तुरंत आधे घंटे के अंदर अंदर हम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, इंटेंस फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारे ब्रेन में ऐसे केमिकल सिक्रेट होना शुरू हो जाते हैं विच गिव्स अस रिलैक्स फीलिंग, which focuses, which removes the negativity from our mind, and rather it cools our mind and makes it more creative. So that is another way of feeding our brain with positivity. You know, we have to help our biochemistry also, the brain biochemistry also, to work towards more positive thinking, and that's what will help you. Similarly, meditation. कहा जाता है कि 10 to 20 minutes meditation in the morning. Know that it could be conscious breathing, it could be mantra meditation, it could be breath awareness. You know, different people will do different meditation, and there is all the meditations have one important purpose, and that is where you start knowing yourself. The thoughts will come, but thoughts that come during the meditation, if they don't take hold on your mind, they just pass by you. They are not feeding you with negativity. Sometimes you are able to release those negative thoughts better and better. So meditation also helps you. And of course, new learning, you know, connecting yourself with positive people, connecting with people from a different walks of life, and communicating with them, because we don't know everything in one particular profession. There are so many things which are interesting, which are worth knowing in the world. But if we meet same group of people, talk with the same group of people, and that is the only thing we will know. So actually feed your mind with the positivity in the morning. Release negativity in the morning through meditation, exercise, pranayam, walking in the nature. And also surround yourself with the people who are positive people from different walks of life.